Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we record a macro or how can we create a macro in Microsoft Excel. To do this, first select the cell from which you're going to record the macro. For example, I'm selecting this one, H6, and then click on Views. In the View option, the last option you have is Macro, which is present in Macros group. Let's click on that and then select Use Relative References. After clicking, again click on that drop down arrow and then click Record Macros. Now just after clicking guys, this box will appear where you have to add the name. So I'll keep the name as it is, macro1, and then you have to select the shortcut key. Like we can use Shift A. As control is already present here, so I'm just using Control Shift A. Okay. Now if you want to add any description on this macro, you can add it or you can leave it and press OK. I'll leave it, and you can see here this arrow represents a macro is currently recording. Okay, so whenever you want to stop that macro, you can click over there and that macro will be stopped. That will be recorded. So I'll just create a macro. I'll just enter something. So this is what I created. What I have created: hello macro learners. I highlighted all of them and given a text color. Okay, and kept my cursor over there. So this is my sample macro, and to stop it, we'll just click on this stop macro. The recording will be stopped and the macro is recorded now. So to apply that macro, what we're gonna do is we'll just use that shortcut key that we have created, that is Control plus Shift plus A. As you can see guys, that same macro is applied to the screen by using that same shortcut menu. We can start from here or we can start from here. So this is the basic use of macro, recording macro. Hope you like this video guys. That's all for today. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.